We'll guide you through how to integrate Vercel into your workflow seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Vercel's website and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you should see your Vercel dashboard. From there, click on the New Project button. This will direct you to a page where you can import a project from a Git repository. Connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account by authorizing Vercel to access your repositories. After authorization, you'll see a list of your repositories. Choose the one you want to deploy and click Import. Vercel will automatically detect the framework and settings of your project, but you can configure them manually if needed. Once the configuration is complete, click on Deploy. Vercel will start building and deploying your project, and you'll be able to see the progress in the dashboard. After the deployment is successful, you'll get a live link to your project. You can click on this link to view your deployed site. To manage your deployment, go back to the Vercel dashboard. Here, you can set up custom domains, environment variables, and more. To add a custom domain, click on the Domains tab and enter the domain name you want to use. Follow the instructions to update your DNS settings and point them to Vercel. Your site will be live on your custom domain once the DNS changes propagate. That's it. You've successfully integrated and deployed your project using Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.